And welcome back, everyone. We want to share with you about severe weather happening in several parts of the country over the weekend. So right now what you're seeing is heavy rain in Texas. They had large hail reported across the state, and the National Weather Service, Scott, warned of winds up to 65 miles per hour. We're talking a golf ball size hail.
Yeah, and that could do a lot of damage. It could do a lot of vegetation damage, and it could also do a lot of damage to vehicles and buildings, especially for houses. So definitely not something that you want to mess with. And fall actually is a secondary severe weather season for the United States. Of course, we see all the tornadoes in the spring, but fall is another season of change. So that's why we do end up with severe weather outbreaks in the fall. And fall actually began for us just a little bit ago at 2:19 this afternoon. Hello, fall. Fall is here, and we're in store for pretty decent weather over the next few days. Here's the view from our Savannah camera overlooking downtown Savannah. A little bit of cumulus cloud development out there. We are watching a few showers that have been developing across parts of the area, mostly in the southwestern corner down into places like Appling County, Bacon County, and even into portions of Tattnall County. Looks like Wayne County dealing with a little bit of light shower activity. Also Long County looking at a few small showers south of Little Wissey. Some of this activity is starting to rain itself out as it drifts a little bit more to the southwest, just to the south of Alma at the moment, right over Coffee. And as far as looking ahead into the evening hours, we will gradually see conditions dry out again. Temperatures have been on the warmer side, upper 80s for the warmest spots. Statesboro 88 degrees right now, 86 for us here in Savannah. Do have a decent northeasterly flow, and that is actually helping us to be a little bit cooler this afternoon compared to just 24 hours ago. But for tonight, we will stay on the warmer side, and humidity levels will be rather high. So that means we do run the risk of having some areas of patchy fog developing first thing Tuesday morning. But overall, slightly warmer afternoons will be in the forecast, especially for Wednesday and Thursday, with us reaching the lower 90s, cooling off a bit as we get into the weekend. That's when we do have some higher rain and thunderstorm chances setting up for us, especially starting on Friday, heading into Saturday and Sunday, looking like we will be dealing with scattered showers and a few thunderstorms across the area. For right now, high pressure, it's trying to stay in control of our forecast, but some moisture is trying to move in from the west. I also do have a stationary boundary just off of the coast, and that's part of the reason why we are dealing with a few of those spotty showers for today. That's going to be the same case for tomorrow, though most of us will be missing out on that activity. Most of us will just be talking about warm and very dry and very warm conditions for our Tuesday. We'll have some cloud cover around through the morning hours, temperatures in the upper 70s, closer to the 80-degree mark by lunchtime. A few showers not out of the question as the sea breeze comes in on shore, so the best chance for some showers tomorrow will be near the coast. Inland communities will stay dry, and that'll be the case for most of us as we get to tomorrow evening. In the tropics, things have become pretty active. We have two tropical waves that are in the equatorial regions of the Atlantic, just to the north of there, I should say. This one in the central Atlantic has a high-end chance of developing, or in the next couple days it will move toward the same path toward Bermuda that Gabrielle has been taking. This one that's a little bit further to the west has a medium chance of developing. It's a little closer to the islands, and it's looking like it will take more of a southern route. So this one is something that we do need to pay attention to as it were to make its way closer to the east coast of the U.S. But Gabrielle is a major hurricane, well defined on satellite imagery, sustained winds of 120 miles per hour, and we do expect it to get a little bit stronger, but it is making its closest approach to Bermuda right now. Could become a Cat 4 system, gradually weaken as we get to the later part of the week. Still a hurricane as it passes near the Azores before weakening, moving toward Europe. So nothing for us to worry about from Gabrielle. Now, as far as our local forecast, we are going to be talking about a few spotty showers for the next few days. Storm chances increase a bit for us, especially for Friday, Saturday, and for Sunday, with those temperatures cooling off into the mid-80s, so a little bit cooler than where we will be for the early part of the work week. That's a check of your weather forecast for now. We'll have more coming up in just a few moments. Tina?
All right, Scott, thank you.